guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Max Aura 4s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got to look at the Jordan Max Aura 4. We got this in a white, black, university red colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 42. And it's a US men's 8.5. And let's get unboxing. So here we are. It is presented as the next generation of Jordan basketball sneakers. And it takes a lot of throwback looks. So you can kind of see a 90s feel, early 2000s with the upper. Kind of reminds me of the Air Jordan 10. We'll get into that once I show the deals. But we'll start with the outsoles. This outsole, all rubber outsole. You've got multi-traction right here. It's like divided into 6 parts. You can count it there. You've got first 3 and then the bottom is, forgive me, so you've got 3 and right here makes 6. Kind of see it there. The Jumpman logo at the heel as well. And we look at the midsole unit. So this midsole, it's foam midsole. And you've got big Air Max units right there at the heel, there to, you know, for your crashing. Every time you crash, to support your fall. Now the upper is made out of a mixture of synthetic leathers, textile materials, and real leathers. So you can see the real leathers right there at the toe box area. It's this grainy effect, perforated for your breathability. Now, this is why I say it reminds me of the Air Max, not Air Max, sorry, the Air Jordan 10. It's because of the laces right here, this main body up here, the way that it holds the laces. The tongue, you got, you know, a throwback to the Air Jordan 4 with flight. Let's see it there. Also, lateral sides, kind of reminds me of the Air Jordan 13. You've got the Jumpman logo right there. This was that textile materials, nylon, if you were. Very high. Well, it's not, I wouldn't say it's a proper high where it's like covering your ankles, but it's, I'd say the right amount of height and width. Got a lot of padding right here. No pull tabs, so I hope that I can just slip my feet in. To be fair, the way that the heel is shaped, it's like the slip right there. The back, so you got more of the levers around the heel, and you got the flight and the red as well, all there for you. And the colorway itself, it reminds me of the Air Jordan 9, and to be fair, the 10 as well, whereas in that white, black and red. Again, the way that Jordan brand or Nike have presented and put forward this sneaker was that it was the next in line, using all the elements from the past to make this sneaker here. And oh, there was a 2-3. I'm just trying to find it out here. So at the medial sides, you got a 2-3 to, I know it's at the Air Jordan 5 font, so it's in that 2-3 there, and you know, your iconic Jumpman logo all there for you. Insole, textile insole with the flight logo all there for you. And the laces, unfortunately there's no other laces. You got your typical round black laces. I'm really excited to try these on, I'm not gonna lie to you. These are made for basketball. Would we use it for the basketball courts? Probably. This is, in regards to pricing for Air Jordans, this is relatively cheaper than your retros. So to have that and a lot of technology, or more or less the same technology that loads of these Jordan had back in the day, and obviously this is now, so the you know, tooling would be better, and the technology used must have been better than back then. This will be hopefully wearable. If you want to see us do on-court reviews, see us, let us know in the comment section below. If that gains enough traction, we'll do some reviews of us playing basketball. Till then, let's see an on feet. So roll that footage of me trying these Max Aura 4s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get true to size Jordan fit. These 7.5s fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. These are quite snug. However, I do have a couple of gripes about the sneaker. It feels a bit tight around here, and it feels a bit heavy. When it comes to basketball sneakers nowadays, you know, we've done tons of reviews like the LeBrons, the KDs, when it comes to the Nike basketball products. And even some of the new Jordans, they are lightweight and obviously more softer. This feels a bit hard and a tiny bit heavy, but the Air Max bubble is still right. With it being said that it's all about the future, this does feel like a retro sneaker when you put them on. But that's my personal feelings about them. Let us know yours if you are a keen wearer of the Max Aura 4s. So let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.